Thanks, and we aren't the only ones closely tracking the freezing rain. The wet weather could leave a layer of ice on bridges and overpasses, causing problems for that morning commute. That's why DOT crews across several counties will be monitoring road conditions throughout the night.
NBC Charlotte's Brandon Goldner is live in Catawba County. Brandon, will crews be pre-treating any of these roads?
Well, Fred and Rachel, because of that possibility of freezing rain, you're not going to be seeing those streaks of brine that you normally see. That freezing rain could wash away some of that brine, but they are checking those conditions. Right now, we're keeping an eye on these roads. Though DOT and city crews in the region are not pre-treating roads, they will be on standby, monitoring overnight conditions. Highway Patrol Trooper Jeffrey Swagger says they've seen more crashes than normal in this past week.
Issues in the morning, early morning hours where the overnight freezing is in shady areas, and maybe there's some water left over from an issue the night before.
If you do have to drive early in the morning, do not use cruise control. Increase your following distance, accelerate and brake slowly, and if your car runs onto ice, stay calm and steer into a skid.
You kind of drive on ice like you walk on ice. It's very slow and deliberate.
As those temperatures start to drop, local houses of worship like First Presbyterian Church of Hickory are opening up their doors to the homeless. Pastor Whit Malone's sanctuary is one of several warming stations, which fill the 6-hour evening gap between when the day shelter closes and the night shelter opens. He says nearly 24 people take advantage of the warmth.
Most people are just very grateful that they have a place they can go and be warm.
Ahead of this overnight cold, some school systems are already delaying classes, including Caldwell County, Iredell, Statesville, and Morrisville. And just in the hour since we've been out here, we've been keeping an eye on this temperature gauge that we have. It was at 40 degrees about an hour ago. Now it's already dropped to about 36, 38 degrees, and it's expected to drop even more into tonight. Reporting live in Hickory, I'm Brandon Goldner, NBC Charlotte.
Brandon, thank you.